This is a LEGO set and dit is some filament. In weight comparison dit is way cheaper. So I thought why can we not just reprint a whole LEGO set? Should it be that hard, right? The first piece what I'm gonna try to reprint is one of the orange with grey thrusters because I lost one and I wanted to replace it. So let's 3D print that first. To 3D print something you of course need a 3D printing file. So the first thing what I did is searching on the internet. So I didn't find anything. So second option, designing every last piece by hand. In Fuse 360. Let's go! Here I have the first 3D printed LEGO pieces, so let's find out if they actually are any good. So here I have the first two pieces and they look not exactly the same, they're a bit different color, but that's because I didn't have the exact same color filament. But for feel and how they fit perfectly. So I can then add it to my set and it's now complete again. But now I need to reprint every single last piece of it to create it fully, and that's gonna take a quite long time to recreate and design every piece. So let's go on it. So after a long time designing, this is my final result. Now that the designing is done, I can 3D print my first batch and see if they are kinda good. So I 3D print the first batch and they look pretty good, but I still have stringing here. That's not great. But it's probably the filament is a bit wet. But this looks great. Now I only have to test it and hopefully it fits. And the 3D print pieces does not fit at all. So that's kinda sad, but to fix this I have a few ideas, and that is just change the sizes a bit, but this can be a shitload of work if I can do that for every piece. So my plan is to create some test pieces and get some default sizes. Here I have a quick tip what is gonna come really handy, and that's this setting, and you're gonna put something like -0.1, and this is gonna prevent elephant feet, and the piece is gonna fit way better because of this. So let's reprint this test. So this is the fifth test and they now fit perfectly. So I know exactly how big they need to be to perfectly fit. So I need to do that to every single part.
2,000 years later.
now that I 3D printed every last piece, let's put it together. So here is the final result, the 3D printed version and the real version. And the first thing, for price comparison, this is about €9, and for filament cost this is about €2 to €3, almost nothing, so that definitely wins. But for quality, yes, it is a bit lower, and not all parts are perfectly, but it did feel like building real Lego. Some parts are just a bit too tight or a bit too loose, but for the rest, it's not bad. So, and I will also put a link down below where you can download the files and 3D print it for yourself. And also, don't forget to give this video a like and maybe subscribe. That will help me very much. Thank you for watching.